Okay, so guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make a deposit on your EXNESS account. First of all, you need to download EXNESS from the App Store over here, and that's have it checked. Then when your EXNESS is downloaded, you open the app. Here you can see I was actually coming to make a deposit here, so we'll come back, then we'll start again. Here's the account, the real account for trading. Tap on deposit. Remember, this is for Ghanaians and anyone that uses mobile money, whether MTN, VODAFONE, AIRTEL, TIGO. You come for this is a payment method page, so you pick what payment method you want to use, whether it's USDT, USDC coins, TickPay, Skrill, Neteller, Bitcoin, bank card, mobile money, or Binance Pay. But because we are in Ghana, I'm going to use mobile money, which is more convenient, by the way, and easier. So over here we have the mobile money option, and with this option, this is the account MT51717819979. that's my real account though, so this is where the money will be deposited into. If you want to change that account, you tap. If there are any other account, you can switch between your investment wallet and your real trading account. So it's going to a real trading account, so when I load it just counts here straight and I can start trading right away. But here is where the amount is. The 160 here is for the current exchange rate from the dollar to the cedi, same as the 4,453 Ghana cedis. So 160 here, it means the standard rate is just 16 cedis for the dollar. So let's say I'll deposit 2,000. Okay, sorry, 20,000. That's more than. So that's $125. Tap on continue. Confirm. After you tap here, you see your invoice ID, the deposit via mobile money. So if you want to change the number you are depositing with, you come, then tap here, everything will be displayed for you, then you change it. So before the deposit is made, or before this procedure continues, you need to pick your internet service provider, your ISP. It can either be MTN, AIRTEL, TIGO, or VODAFONE, but I'm using MTN, so we'll tap on MTN. Then after you tap on MTN or whatever ISP you are using, you tap on Pay. Then here you can see almost done. Your payment request has been sent to MTN. To complete the payment, please check your phone. So at this point, if you don't see the MTN message that will ask you to input your PIN, you just go to my approvals to check whether it's there or not. If it's not there, come back and start the whole process again. Sometimes the system is always busy. So there's my phone number, MTN operator, my invoice ID, the amount to be received. So that's just how easy it is on Excel. So let's go to my approvals and see whether it's there. So I'll show you that one too. So you can star 170 hash and we dial it in. This network. Star 170 hash and we dial it in. Okay, so we are back online. You come to 6, my wallet. You come to 3, my approvals. You go to my approvals. Then for security purposes, I am not going to input my PIN. Okay, you have no pending approval, so that means I have to start the whole process again. Okay, well, so that's it for this video today, and if there are any problems, you can just go to your customer care and get your way through it. Bye bye. But remember, please like and subscribe this video.